second question was similar question back into the 2012. Before I was religious, I wanted to give a special gift to my mom and dad before I moved to Florida. Okay, at the time I was taking some art classes in mixed media. Okay, so I decided to make my mom and dad an oil painting of the Catholic Mary. Okay, I also had a picture. I did a high school with water. School with water. Color of JC. Okay, I gave it to them, and now they have it hanging on their walls, on their home. Wow, that's okay. And then showing them off to their friends who come over. What should I do since I made these pictures? Okay, 1 second. It was the last page. Do I have to wait until God forbid that pass away and claim them back and to destroy them? So it's also not such easy question. So you do Teshuva, and since it's not in your possession, most likely they're not going to give it back to a person, or if you can steal it, so you can try to steal it, but otherwise just leave it be. So I mean, it's not like a person put a stumbling block in front of this her parents, or his parents, right? Why? Because they would buy, they would see this picture, even the better picture in the store, and they would buy it from the store, right? So what can we do? So just leave it be. Don't worry about it.